Galvanized steel versus aluminum. A 2026 guide to cost and material selection. Turning raw data into verified hardware. In 2026, material selection is the foundation of project margin recovery. While steel offers lower raw costs, the TCO tells a different story. Technical Insight Galvanization provides barrier protection. However, CNC machining exposes the raw steel substrate, necessitating specialized edge sealing. Aluminum alloys allow for 300% faster cycle times. In high-volume production, the reduction in machine hours often offsets the higher material price. Case study. For an industrial sensor housing, switching to aluminum reduced TCO by 18.4% by eliminating secondary galvanizing steps. Quality is verified through the lens of longevity. We analyze corrosion rates and geometric fidelity across the entire product lifecycle. L's manufacturing. Engineering the balance between cost and performance. Upload your step file today for a professional 24-hour audit.